كان الله عليما حكيما.
He who commits a sin commits it only to his detriment. Surely Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
ومن يكسب خطيئة أو إثما ثم يرم به بريئا فقد احتمل بهتانا وإثما مبينا.
But he who commits either a fault or a sin and then casts it upon an innocent person lays upon himself the burden of a false charge and a flagrant sin.
ولولا فضل الله عليك ورحمته لهمت طائفة منهم أن يضلوك وما يضلون إلا أنفسهم وما يضرونك من شيء وأنزل الله عليك الكتاب والحكمة وعلمك ما لم تكن تعلم وكان فضل الله عليك عظيما.
O Messenger, but for Allah's favor and mercy upon you, a party of them had resolved to mislead you, yet they only misled themselves and could not have harmed you in any way. Allah revealed to you the book and wisdom, and He taught you what you knew not. Great indeed has been Allah's favor upon you.
لا خير في كثير من نجواهم إلا من أمر بصدقة أو معروف أو إصلاح بين الناس ومن يفعل ذلك ابتغاء مرضات الله فسوف نؤتيه أجرا عظيما.
Most of their secret conferrings are devoid of good, unless one secretly enjoins charity, good deeds, and setting the affairs of men right. We shall grant whoever does that, seeking to please Allah, a great reward.
ومن يشاقق الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا.
As for him who sets himself against the messenger and follows a path other than that of the believers, even after true guidance had become clear to him, we will let him go to the way he has turned to, and we will cast him into hell, an evil destination.